Today we're using AI to generated changelog. Updating World of Dragons 2 right now. I've updated a ton of mod packs already today, probably about 6 or 8. And here we go. It's almost done. I just want to show you how to use AI to make a changelog. All right. So let's go over here to my mod packs. We just installed World of Dragons 2. We're now gonna allow content management. All right. And now we're going to view the profile and then go to content. And you see there's quite a few mods here to update. I find this, it's not as elegant as those solutions where you could feed it to mod packs, but it's elegant enough. So let's go over here to Chat GPT where I've been generating it. Let me go ahead and just, for your sake, I'll start a new conversation. So let's come back over here and we're going to screenshot. I'm using Flame Shot. We're going to screenshot the section with the mods that need to be updated. And we're going to feed those into the chat. So CC tweaked was the last one. And then come down here. And then we'll get these. I know, very exciting, right? I hit Control V there because paste doesn't always come up on the right click. And then come back here. So we want Curios on top. I'm using print screen as my hotkey to bring up my flame shot. I'm also on Linux, so when I ask it for a bash one-liner, you can just ask it for a PowerShell case insensitive one-liner. Yeah, keep that in mind. All right. FDP Quest was the last one there, so we're gonna maybe just use the regular scroll wheel for now. Yeah, there we go. I probably could be less anal and not capture all those, but by capturing those, I can tell it to give me author names if I wanted to, or maybe even entrap the little graphics. All right, we're going to paste that. Chat GPT only allows 10. That may or may not be an issue. So Barrett was the last one there. Okay. Let's grab Bluter. Control V. Easier than, you know, Macaw's paintings will be the last one. This beats typing because, let the computer do the typing, right? All right. So polymorph was the last one there. And almost everything in this pack is getting updated. And then copy that, paste, and then scroll. Titanium would be the last one. So starting at tool belt. All right, and so villagers respawn would be the last one right there, and that was it. Okay, now I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna say the mod names with their versions. Form a source list of mods to be updated. I'll present you with their updated names shortly. For now, create the source list and a bash one-liner that lists each of the files in the source list using the first 4 characters. Case insensitive. Find the new files that were updated. And it doesn't matter if you typo because AI can figure you out. And then here shortly, we're going to, so while that's generating, we're going to come back over here and update all those mods. So that's 61 mods, update all. I have to wait for them to update. All right, I guess we can come back over here and look at this. So it made us a nice one-liner. Okay, now I need to tell it that we're going to be using we're going to be doing it in the current folder. We're going to be running that command in the current folder, so we don't need to give it a path. And there's other ways it could do that. In fact, it was doing it the other way over here. I was having a conversation. Look, over here, see, it did it differently. Used ls. In fact, I can get it to change its mind. How about, can you not do that with ls? It seems like it would be simpler. So, obviously, this, whatever we were doing over here, I want to use this format, honestly. I know that, I'm pretty sure that would work. Oh, yeah. So, let's tell it, right? I can have access to the source list. Let's see how it changed it. See, that's technically simpler because now we're not using awk. And every time you talk to it and tell it, what things be simpler, you're really just training the AI first 4 characters. I'm pissing it off. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's from the other, that's what we had on the other side. Okay, we should be done updating. We are done updating. So now we're going to go in here. We're going to open the folder and I'm going to open up a terminal right there. Okay, let's close that terminal. I'm going to go into the mods folder and I'm going to open a terminal there. Okay? And then you would go into your mods folder and you would open a PowerShell script there. So now we're going to copy the code and then we're going to run that code in that terminal. All right. And it makes all these things. Now I'm just going to highlight all those file names that it detected. And I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to come here and I'm going to say, here are the files that updated. Please use the format Now, see, this changelog is for CurseForge, and they have a problem with showing bullet points when you do like a li, like this. Like you go unordered list slash li, and in the editor it will show bullets, but to the public it shows no bullets. So I do this to force a bullet, use a, and then, so I'm telling it mod name here, original version, and then and right arrow, and then I'm telling it new version, and then I'm saying /p, and now I'm gonna paste with the middle click because out of my Linux I can do that. And now we're gonna hit enter, and it'll start generating our change log. All right, so while that's generating, so I'm gonna go ahead and save all over here. I'm using Server Pack Creator to generate servers for my mod packs. So let me go ahead and get a new configuration up for World of Dragons 2. So I'm pointing it. These are my instances. Let me hit open there. Yep, it did good there. And da 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 da. Grab the icon. Let's include the server icon. Let's create a zip archive. What version are we going to even give this? It's going to be 5774 dash 5.7.74. All right. Make sure our forges are all updated, and I'm gonna hit generate. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I have a server for the mod pack. Yes. Now you guys would run the PowerShell script. You may actually have to drop the PowerShell to run it. I don't know. For me, I can double click that and it'll ask me if I want to run it in terminal. You have to run it in terminal because you have to type I agree. All right, let's go back here. We'll hit play. Technically, nothing should crash because everything on 1.16.5 being as old as it is should have completely, everything that's broken down there should have been probably patched by now. Oh, no. I keep, except for mine colonies. Once the older requires 418. Whatever. All right, structurize. Structurize. Version that you want the 418. No problemo. So I'm going to say remove structurize from the list. Now we're going to play that. And we need to kill this naturally because the structurize. We don't need that terminal open. And we don't need that terminal open. We can close all those folders. And let's generate that fresh because we fixed that one mod. But, rolled it down. Yes, I would like to. Yes, I would like to run it in the terminal. And what's this doing? It's mad about something. I agree. Yeah, you're happy now, aren't you? This is not happy about something. Anyways, so let me show you what that changelog looks like. So here's the World of Dragons 2. We're gonna, and I'll just paste this into here. Yes, I have things that make things easier for me. So, World of Dragons 2, right there. There's my banner. Changes. And then we're going to paste that. And I'm gonna control A and C that because we're gonna put it into the server changelog. And look at that sweetness. Got my bullets and I got some arrows. And that's the main thing I wanted to show you. And I don't know if you want to see me. I don't think you want to see me debug the pack. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed it.